Today I am going to explain Python if conditions. We can write if conditions like this: A equal 33, B equal 5. We can write if A less than B, A is less than B. I save and run Python. Py nothing done because actually A is greater than B. Then we can write elif A greater than B. Then A greater than B. Then print A is greater than B. Then I can run Python if.py A is greater than B. We can write else print A is equal to B. Okay, if I change B as 33 and run A is equal B. Here we check if 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 we check here, if this condition false, we go to there. Then if there is another elif, here there is checking those elif to the point some elif or elif is true, otherwise it will print else. This is the if statement. Then there are conditions for if. This is the condition. If this is true, we enter inside if. This is the case. Here, these are the conditions. There are equal. There is equal condition. There is not equal. There is less than. There is less than no equal. There is greater than. There is greater than no equal. If we add those things into if, the condition is true, that is going inside if statement. We are going to do shorthand if else. For that, print A if A is greater than B, else print B. Then we change AES 4. Then this condition is false, then it should be print B. Likewise, if I change the A as 34, then this condition is true, then it will print A. Likewise, I think you understand Python if condition. Please subscribe my channel.